Okay, I had doubts about these, but they actually turned out pretty good. This one did break, it looks like. I'm not too worried about that. Let's get these off and onto the print. Let's get this grass that I printed onto this guy. Alright, and the grass is on. You got a few places that messed up on the grass, but I'm not too worried about that. It's barely even noticeable and will be pretty much invisible once I get the actual model in place. But man, this is looking pretty good. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.